Another day, another chance, another blessing. Ndoda kutendai mese matimanainika. Thank you so much for the support. Today I'm going to start by giving you an example. Let's say we've got two guys who are looking at a bird flying up there. The other one thinks the bird is lonely. The other one thinks it's freedom. This is how most of us view this world. The way we see things determines whether we attract or repel blessings. This is such a wonderful world. Imagine when you wake up every day. Look at the brighter side of things. How wonderful this world is. The trees, the mountains, the rivers, the vegetation, the people, yourself. This world is such a wonderful place, but sometimes we dwell on the negative. We see the dark side of things, and that way we attract bad things. We attract negative energy. Everything that you are seeking is inside of you. I think it's high time you go deeper. You ignite that light in you. You start seeing things positively. Every situation has happened for a reason. There's nothing that you can call is bad. Everything is good. Sometimes you have to ask yourself, if anything happens, whether you view it as bad, just ask yourself, what is it trying to teach me? Because there's a lesson in every situation. There's a lesson in every person that you meet. They are good people. There's no way you can grow in comfort zone. The time for your growth is when you face challenges. That's when you have that edge to move forward. That's when you grow spiritually. That's when you grow physically. So embrace each and every moment. Surrender to each and every situation, and you'll see great things happening. I hope I've helped someone today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my Facebook page, Dora. Like, share, comment, and also invite friends. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the overwhelming support. God bless.